But it's been a few hours, but it felt like days.
What's up YouTube, it's your girl Jayda Jonét, and I'm back with another video. And as you already see by the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys this bob wig that I got from Ashimaryhair. This is so cute and perfect for the spring or the summer because it's glueless and it's low maintenance. They did give me a coupon code AH20 for 20% off. But first, let's see everything that they included in the box. They sent me over these flat irons. I didn't end up using them because I didn't need them. I used a cap. HD caps are my go-to. I love them. They sent me an elastic band, an edge brush, and a bonnet, a robe, and some tape and some lashes. I honestly don't use all that, so let's go ahead and get into the install. I am going to use my sticky little secret lace glue to adhere my cap down, so I'm just doing that. The HD cap, I'm going to smooth it out and allow it to dry. Once it's clear, I'm going to apply my foundation color, which is the Ruby Kisses in the shade 11. Once I'm done doing that, I'm going to go ahead and cut it. Tie the back of the cap so that it doesn't ride up when I put the wig on. So here's the wig. It's a little Bobbiana or whatever. Y'all see, I did have to go in and doctor it up and flat iron it really good, but the lace is really nice. It's HD. I didn't bleach the knots and I didn't pluck it, and it looked really good. This is the inside construction of the wig. Elastic band and a care tag on there, which is very helpful for my girls who want to shampoo it and do all of that. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation color to the wig and try it on my head for the first time. I be scared with these glueless wigs because a lot of times they don't fit, but surprisingly this one actually fit. So as you see, I do have to go in and fix it up. It was bleached, but it wasn't like bleach blonde, but honestly I didn't feel like going in and doing it anymore, so I did have to, you know, do my little 1-2 on it. So I'm gonna pluck a little bit of the hair out. That is just showing y'all what it came straight out of the box, but I did pull a couple of strands out just to make it a little bit more to my liking. So to clean up that part, I'm gonna go in with some concealer, well, that same foundation, and put it down the part. I feel like that's gonna make it look a little bit more natural, a little bit more seamless. Being that this wig is glueless, you gotta work to make it look, you know, like a fresh install. So I'm just applying that to my part, you know, getting it right. So I decided at the last minute that I want to go in and try out this tape. A bunch of companies have sent this to me before, but I've never used it. It's like double-sided tape, so it's basically a alternative to using glue or a spray glue. So I'm applying that, and like I said, it's double-sided tape and it adheres to the lace. And I feel like this is a good little temporary thing if you're interested in that. So I actually like this install process. I feel like it's pretty easy. The only thing I will say is that you can slightly see the tape through the wig, so that would be the only thing. But for someone who's wearing a wig glueless and they don't really care and they're not trying to do too much on a daily, I don't feel like it's a bad look. I feel like had I bleached the knots, I feel like it did show off those knots a little bit. So if I were to bleach those knots again and they were like blind, I feel like you wouldn't have saw it. So this is how it came out. I feel like it looked decent. I mean, you know, something to work with. So I'm just gonna go fix it up, flatten everything out, and just, you know, get it to where it need to be. Yes, that is the Forbidden Even spray. This is a spray that I already had, so I'm using it, but I actually made a mistake by applying that to the tape because it actually made it come up, but the lace band was here to save the day. I just tied that down and it made everything stick. So I'm going in with a root touch-up brush because, like I said, I did go in with some concealer, with some makeup, and I'm just cleaning it up and defining it even more just to make it super duper perfect. Once that is dry, I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. Well, not dry, but like, you know, about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, I'm gonna take it off. And what we giving melted. So cute. I typically don't like middle part bobs on me. I feel like it make my head look big. My head is big, my face is big. I feel like that's not really flattering on me. I like a side part bob, but it was cute for the little moment, you know. It gave something. I went in and flat ironed it, you know, get it real sleek and silky. Now I could do a little better on the cut. I feel like for me to wear this bob, it would have to be a little bit shorter. I like long bobs, but I do prefer a shorter bob, you know, about neck length. I just feel like that just gives bob, you know, it gives Bobbiana. This is giving like Bob. Okay, cute little Bob. But I wanted to give Bob, if that makes sense. But yeah, so I'm just going through, getting everything together with my Babyless flat irons, combing it out and making sure it's all smooth. With bobs, you have to make sure that you go all the way around, because them backs and them ends will be flipped, and that does not look cute.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Y'all see like how kind of it's boxy. I couldn't figure out what to do with that. I feel like the elastic band is what made that do that, so be careful of that. But I'm gonna go in with the Luster's pink glosser, and I'm just gonna go through and make that, you know, shine and silky, give it that look. So I'm just gonna put that all over, and this is what she's giving. It's giving silky, it's giving shiny, it's giving glowy. And yeah, this is the finished product. This is how I wore it. It was so adorable, so stinking cute. This is their Wear Go pre-cut HD transparent lace closure wig with pre-plucked hairline and bleach knots. This is a 6x 4.5 HD lace in a 250 density 10-inch bob. Personally, I would get this in a 180 density just so it could be super duper sleek. Once again, don't forget to use my code for 20% off. Thank you all for watching. All links and specs will be in the description box below. Thank y'all, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Big ass, get that.